We need to soak our mustard seeds in order to activate them to make our mustard, okay? I'm gonna use brown and yellow mustard seeds. You can use only yellow if you prefer to have a milder mustard. I'm doing a 1/4 cup of each. So now I'm just gonna cover them in water. And these need to soak for 2 days, guys. I'm just gonna cover them with something so we don't get dust and insects and stuff in there, and leave it on the counter. Here's our soaked mustard seeds, guys. Did you know that mustard has antioxidants? It's an anti-inflammatory. It is also antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. So it's pretty good for you. If you're gonna have a condiment, mustard is great. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of paprika to this. I'm using smoked paprika. I wanna give my mustard a nice little smoky edge. I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of turmeric. That's gonna make it really yellow and add incredible benefits for inflammation as well. We have a lot of turmeric on the island. 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Use any salt you want. I will taste it after we mix it and see if I wanna add more. I am going to add a teaspoon of raw honey, and this is optional, guys. And finally, I'm adding 1/2 cup of white vinegar. All right, let's blend this. We have a nice ground brown mustard. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.